Here are 5 things you didn't know about sneezing that will terrify you. First, your heart literally stops beating during every single sneeze. Second, all your bodily functions shut down at once, like your body hits a pause button. Third, you become completely blind for that split second, your vision just vanishes. Fourth, that sneeze rockets out at 100 miles per hour, causing tiny fractures throughout your skeleton. Fifth, if you hold back a sneeze, you can rupture blood vessels in your head or chest. Every suppressed sneeze is basically playing Russian roulette with your life. Your body becomes a ticking time bomb,